is it counting?
Yes.
Okay, take off, boys.
Oh, no.
Just do good turns, that's all you have to do. Stay together. Get it clear together as you can, okay? Noah, stay in back of him, okay? Make some turns to toe edge if you're that good. Nice job, Corb. Just keep making your turns. Nice, very nice. Yeah. Yes, sir. Look at you go. Okay, good. That was fabulous, guys. Yeah, they should be. Noah, get up and board for me so I can take pictures of you. This is really flat again, so you can get down, right? I'm gonna go take pictures of him. Okay, Noah, make some linked turns for me. Let me get out in front of you. Let me give you, yeah. Link some turns, let's go. Show me your stuff. Show me your stuff. Just let the board do the work. Just let the board do the work. Okay, do whatever you need to do. Over here, Corban, where are you going? Okay, guys, we need to stay on this and get down to the, don't worry about that right now, we'll catch it on the bottom, okay? I'm going to follow you again. Right here, go around down below me here. Corban, go below me. Now turn. Don't get off on that ungroomed stuff. Don't get off on that stuff that you're in right now. Well, never mind. Okay, Noah, come to me. Interesting. Now we're gonna go down here. Go, keep going. You're doing fine, Corb. Come on, Noah. Keep going. Oh no, this is where we go down. Show me some French fries. Turns, please. Show me some French fries in your turns. Anybody behind me? Is there anybody behind me? Good.